Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door strike on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the door strike is damaged or because your dryer door won't close properly. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. Keep in mind, you might have one that's not quite exactly the same as this, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up the door here, and this piece right here is our dryer's door strike. To get it off, we've got to remove the two screws here. We're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. And once you take out both the screws, the strike will come right off. Now, you can grab your new OEM replacement door strike. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we're going to put the door strike into place. Just going to line up the two holes there, and then we're going to screw it in. There we go. So now the strike is on there nice and tight. So we'll close our door up and just make sure it's secure. You can just tug on the door to make sure that the strike isn't coming out. And if it does for some reason come out and you need to adjust it, you can always loosen up the screws and adjust it as needed. But then just close up your door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.